Welcome back. Well, we're gonna sell that and we're gonna go back to sheds. I don't know, do we want something like this instead? Or, oh no, that's too small. No, that's probably too big. Oh, go away. Oh. Oh. Do we want to be like that? Or let's see what happens if we do that. No. And that. They're about the same height, yes they are. Oh, I hate this. It's so fiddly with the new. Go away. Okay, go that way. Okay. Now, you let me know, is this better or not? I think it's more practical for what I'm using it. Right? And painting. I don't know what we want to paint it with. Yeah, probably. Maybe, I don't know, is it? Do I have timber? Yes, I do. Okay, so you can't go from both ends. Okay, let's have a quick look at this. Yeah, you know what? I'm not good at these. So what I'm going to do is do this. I think it's more suitable for what I needed. As much as it does seem to have a bit of a timber or some sort of frame there, it doesn't really affect it. Right, so it means, let's bring this other trailer and see if it actually fits in there. Okay, it looks like I have some sort of a hose there. I'm not quite sure what that hose is for. We'll go this way. And we make more money by having these buildings compared to the other style of buildings. So I'm curious to see if this is a fairly high trailer. Curious to see if it'll fit underneath. No. Okay, so this is where the dilemma comes. But I'm pretty sure that I could back it up from the other end. Now I should have plenty of space here. That shouldn't be a problem. yeah, not a problem. I forget about this, that it has that wheel that turns. Oh yeah, not a problem. Easy. Easy, easy peasy. And we got all our grass equipment. I mean, at the end of the day, I can always put some of that smaller stuff over here. No way. Can I squeeze through there? No, something smaller, yes. Like the tractor would be able to squeeze through there, but not this. So they are a little bit low. It'd be nice if they were a little bit taller. Okay, let's go from this side. Hey, what are you doing? So we'll put you over here. And I can extend this and make it into a much bigger grass field. Well, a bigger grass field, not much bigger grass field, if I need to do it that way. Boom. Okay, I don't think the plow will fit in there. Oops. The cultivator. I don't know how long I'm going to need a cultivator for anymore. So this may end up being sold. I could have come a bit more this way. There you are. Now we're going to bring the tether in. Grass, it's going to be a bit hard, purely because and we can even put our combine header, but combine header we can keep it with the combine, that's not a problem. So that's quite easy to deal with. I still haven't looked at what those whoa, I smash into everything. Yeah, go forward, not backwards. So like the smaller stuff could easily fit in there. My planter could easily, well actually could easily nothing, because my planter needs to be taken to the field. And I think we'll end up using one of these tractors to do this. And I think this, I could just flop it over here. Now we're still kind of under. And now we just need to go and get. See, I'm pretty sure I remember buying some fertilizer and seed. Is it still at the shop, or where is it? We definitely don't want corn. Okay, we definitely need to. I'll leave you right here for now, before we get some seed. Oops. So I'm gonna take the header and park it with the combine, where the combine is. I may end up buying a small tractor that its job is going to be just to carry the header around. There is a good deal on a tractor in the used market, so we may end up selling the John Deere and buying that Voltra. I'll show it to you in a minute. Where do I want to put you? Can I place you in here somewhere or not? Don't I have access to this? Yes, I do, right here. But I don't know if I want to do that. Headers don't mind being outside, so I think this is where we're going to kind of leave it outside. Oh, face full of that. It could even be placed in here. Oh yeah, piece of cake. You know what? You can stay there. For now, you can just stay here. And there's quite a bit of equipment that I could bring and park up here as well. Okay, let's go. Whoa. Didn't like that, did it? So we can, actually this is what I want to have a look. This is the Valtra that I'm talking about. It's 62% off. It can go up to 420 horsepower. It's only 94,000. But what I wanted to look at is how much is my, if I sell this, 35,000. I don't want to sell the Magnum. Oh, I could sell that and get good money out of it. If I take it to the shop, I get another 22,000, 120, 130 something thousand dollars. Not for now. Oh, what if I sell the truck? 47,000 with definitely would have the money. But the truck is kind of useful. So it would have to be one of the tractors that I sell. I will make up my mind which one. Hopefully before the sale finishes on that particular tractor. And this one I don't want to sell because this one is it does have the capacity to do well, not to do anything. It does have the capacity to have the most horsepower. I'm pretty sure that's the way it is, if I remember correctly. So I don't want to sell really the workhorse that I would have. Okay, so that's there. I can park you in there as well. But you know what? A Valtra would be a nice addition to our collection here. Okay. All right. We'll put seed in this and we'll come back. Okay, soybeans it is. The yellow beans we are putting in. Get the worker to do this and we'll see what happens. So I still haven't made up my mind which tractor I'm going to get rid of. I mean, I like the Massey. Which one did I end up getting? The Massey Ferguson. The 7. Okay, there is the 9. What's the horsepower? See, I hate the fact that you can't see your equipment. Giants, you did all the good things, but this is just plain stupid. Okay, it goes up to 210 horsepower. It's $150,000 worth. So what was I getting? 135, 136,000, and I get this. And if I upgrade it all the way to, it's still, oh, so this would be a straight swap. There you are. This would be a straight swap. Yeah, I think that's what we'll end up doing. You get a 400 horsepower tractor. Get a 420 horsepower tractor for a straight swap on the Massey. So I'll let this on. Which one is it? The S series. So it'd be classified as the large tractor, wouldn't it? Yep. See, this would be nice, or even something like that. But anyway, we'll let him do his work. Well, we're almost done. So it looks like he's just going to have to go once more around. And we'll be done. I think we'll leave this episode here. So we'll have some soybeans to harvest soon enough. So have a wonderful day wherever you are around the world. God bless you and your family, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.